Hi folks, welcome back to my channels. So in this particular video, I wanted to have certain discussion with you folks. Okay, so if you have not watched this previous video how to set up the open source LLM models, you can go and check it out that particular video. Okay, in this particular video, we will be going to discuss all about only with one application using the LM Studio, how to download single application altogether, how you can set up your whole like local LLM models. Basically, who doesn't know about how to use these open source models for free. Basically, this is one particular application I wanted to discuss in this particular video. So there is only one application that I have gone through one of the particular video. Okay, so I wanted to check it out, which particular that application is called as LM Studio. Okay, so you can just check it out, this particular video folks. So you can set up the open source LLM models. You can try it out each and every LLM model, so you can go through towards that. In the next video, we'll be going to couple of AI kind of a tools. We'll be going to explore LLM models kind of a we'll be going to discuss. We will in this particular channel we'll discuss all about the software, building a software products, building how the technical things that we will be going to build it. That is what we will be going to discuss in this particular channel. So in today in this particular video we'll straightforward move towards this particular video. So let's get dive into open one uh, another particular thing. So we have go any take it any browser. So take it here, type it LM Studio. So you will be able to see this particular in the first search results. You will be getting LM Studio. You can just go and check it out that. Okay, all right. So this is particular LM Studio you will be getting. So based upon your needs, based upon your operating system, you can download your particular operating system basically. So it's quite good. It's quite awesome basically, folks. So you can download the LM Studio for Windows. I have a Windows. I don't have Mac. If you want a Mac installation, you can just check it out the guide actually. So it's not that much hard. So you can just check it out. So I will just click on OK. So I got lot of messages like, hey Akash, you are not showing the how the installation is working out altogether. So we are not able to understand what we need to do. So same like they have created here LM Studio model catalog, same like Olama, but in the Olama we don't get certain chat kind of a conversation. This is what great this LM Studio has bring in with. So we'll discuss that all about. So if you have a strong machine, folks, you can use the LM models in your own machine basically, correct? So why you wanted to go with another machines? Okay, if you why, because you need to pay huge amount of subscription. You are paying the subscription for a usage 24/7. Okay, so any LLM models, even take it ChatGPT or whatever LLM models, they are running over the machines, right? Cloud server machines. So that's why it has been charging a lot for you. So you can use this particular models like which you can use for your own use cases. See, there are pretty much greater LLM models basically. So I have experienced that this DeepSeek R1 platform what they have built, it is having a lot of issues with the web platform basically. Why? Because there are a lot of people are jumping all together into one platform. You can use LLM models basically. Okay, all right. So I will be gonna show you the how to set it up. So after that, post that we're going to discuss. So it has been installed. Now straightforwardly, we'll try to install this particular application. So let's see where is the yeah, is coming. So multiple times it has been came. So I will create as a can user from the computer can access this. If you don't have space, folks, you can what you can do is you can uninstall Olama and that chat box external tool if it is about confusing like so you can use it. So I will keep into my PC, so because I wanted to experiment with both the things. So let's check it out. LM Studio. Yeah, and user. Okay. So what I will do is I don't want it to install in a C drive, but because it is I have less space in my PC, so I will select it in D drive. It is how to set up LLM models. Okay, so here I am curating lot of series, folks, like LM Studio. I will just write it as a LM Studio. So here I will install this particular software. So it is basic step, folks. Like you can choose anything. If you don't try in the office laptop, folks. It is a security concern. Why? Because they have huge particular concern with respect to of their data. If you are using, try to use in your own laptop with your own security concerns. This is what I felt. This is great tool I explored, so that I thought that I need to share with you folks, so you can just check it out as well. Was not completely successful, maybe some issues. Maybe I can check it out. What's the issue? Let me get dive into it. Just give me a second, folks. Let me check. There will be some space related issue basically. So that was a issue from my side. Let me check. Let me reinstall this. So I will for you. I will reinstall. Just repeat the process once again. Click on next. Click on next. Install. Okay. Maybe let us do this. After getting installed, I will come back. Okay. The same process you need to do just to be your system as well. If you have already done, folks, you can just skip this part. Okay. Alright, folks. Now the LM Studio is installed. So let us see the LM Studio how it look like. So click on Finish. Let's run the LM Studio. How it look like, and it's good to go. I will attach the thing into the description, folks. You can just check it out. Okay. So I will post it into a description, so you can just check it out, folks. Okay. Let's get dive into the awesome UI. After it is popped up, folks, I will be going to show it to you. Yeah, folks. So let's get dive into the get your first LLM. I already have this. Okay, let's see. Skip onboarding. Let's say if you wanted to skip it, you can skip it, folks. If you have already have the LLM models, you can just skip that. And if you wanted to download here, if you are downloading here, it will be here. Okay, so distill 7 billion parameter distilled. Okay, so if you wanted to get see the part, right, so you can just check it out here. Open download directory to check it out. it is where it is getting installed. Yeah, so we don't want this particular thing to download, so I will just click on pause it. Why? Because it will take up skill up my this thing. Select model. Okay, so major problem is it is taking a default directory. Okay, let us change the settings because it is taking LM Studio means C drive only it is taking. So let's change the settings here. Let's see where is there any changes here. Is there any settings? Yeah, here it is a settings. Okay, so model search app settings, you just click on this. If you want to change the particular color theme, you can do that. Local LLM. Okay, I don't think so it is giving to change a path here, folks. You can just check it out. Runtimes. Hardware. Okay, so okay, so this is what this is was it, folks. So you can just download it and you can use it. So this is what I wanted to share it to you. So even if don't have the models, okay, so there is no space available in my system, so I am not able to do it, folks. So you can kindly go through it. So how to do it and how the things is will be going to do. So let's say you wanted to run something here, developer logs. Here it will be the logs will be there. Let's see. Here models directory. Okay. So what I will do is change it. So I am just changing the path. So it is taking the default path as a C drive. So I wanted to use as a LM models in default D directory. So I am using an external drive. Okay. So I wanted to use that particular model, that particular directory. So let me see how these things will be going to do it. Okay, let me check out the models. Okay, so let me show you the things now. All right, let's say we will use the llama model only. Okay, let's see what things how things goes. So after downloading, I will be coming back. So I will be showing you the real time how things is working, and I will be coming with the prompt ready so that for the sample example, so that you will understand what will be coming afterwards covering this particular LLM models. We will be going to comparing the performance basically like basic task. We will be going to experiment it so that you will understand what are the things we will be going to do it. Yes, folks. So now the model has been downloaded completed. So I will just click on load model. Okay. So that model will be getting loaded here. So So if you wanted to check it out here, so if you wanted to tweak something, you can just click on the settings and you can edit the model. Okay, so let me move my photo screen. Yeah, so we have already. Just give me a second, folks. So yes, folks. So over here you can just change the GPU of load. Some or the other you can just change it. But for now I will be not gonna change anything. So there is a prompt altogether here, batch size altogether. You can just have a system prompt as well. Okay. So whatever you feel, you can just change it here. Okay, and you can perform the same thing here. So let's get dive into our things thought process. So creating a chat. Let me take a sample prompt so that I will show it to you. I'm taking one of the prompts, folks. Okay, so let's try this, how it performs. So we have not selected the model, so let's select the model. Meta llama, load model. So it takes time initially. Okay, it is failed to load model. Maybe our system is not able to load these things. Okay, let's take a deep sick. Okay, so let me check. Well, let us see the. Will reduce the token size. Okay, we'll reduce the token size to somewhere around 1,000. Okay, let's take this, load the model. Carefully you need to see, folks. Okay, so this is also not working for us. We need to load, need to reduce the token size. GPU 16. Will reduce GPU upload. Token also we will reduce it to 1879. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe some issues, folks. Okay, so we need to figure out. Maybe in my system it is not working. Try to check it out, folks. This is what the resource that I wanted to share it with you, folks. Okay, maybe some issue with the models actually. Okay, so you can just check it out. Which models will help it out for you. Okay, so let's take my models. deep seek search for more results. So now we need to go with 2.1.5 billion, correct? 1.5 billion. Okay, so let's try this out. Let so I will this video is little bit long, folks, so I will show you this particular model. This model is working good enough in my system because I don't have that much good GPU to load this particular model. So we'll afterwards we'll be going to see that. So first of all, we'll look into this 1.5 billion token size. This one. So at least it should load actually, correct? Llama 3.0 that also can work. Okay, so check it out that Llama 4.68 Llama Llama 3 DeepSeek R1 likely too large. Used in using new chat. Okay, folks. So see here. So my laptop is very hanging because of this particular compute power. Okay, maybe some issues with the MetaLlama. Okay, so I can't use those stuffs. So for you, I just showed it to you. So my LM Studio itself, it is not responding. Okay, just check it out here. This is what the thing is happening. All right. So DeepSeek R1. Let's load this particular model. Okay, we can use this model at least. Okay, so we'll see if it is able to load or not. So we are just checking out here, like folks, like we are just checking out this particular thing. Everyone is talking about this particular LM Studio, but in reality, what is happening in our local system, we need to check it out, right? See, so these are the things. This is what the issue is all about. Okay, like majorly the problem is this is having, like, we can download it, correct? In other system it will be working fine. In influences, most of the influences talks about this, but in our system it will not work. So what I prefer is LM Studio. Don't go with it, folks. So this is what I wanted to show it to you. If it is does not support, let just try it out. I am not saying that, just try it out. If it is working fine for you, just try to use it. But there are little bit issues in in my system I cannot use it, so try to use in your system, folks. This is what I wanted to show you too. That's all about this video, folks. If you like this particular video, in my system it is not working out for me, so you can just if you like this particular video, kind of a videos I'm sharing it with you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I will get motivation to upload this kind of a videos.